Just get to sleep, and this happens.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? There has been a fire emergency reported in the building. Please evacuate the building by the nearest exit. Do not use the elevators.
David Grabowski, Sunstar Paramedics, Level 4. Terry Masters, Three Rivers Ambulance Authority, Fort Wayne, Indiana.
Florida Ambulance Association President.
Listen, all that's important is that you guys keep me into the family and allow me.
Do two things. Move the camera. Wait, the video. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Land way over on that corner. No. All the way on the opposite side. One line up. A little bit. The lovely blonde. Slide that way. Gentlemen, we don't support the Fig Leaf Foundation. Look, Miss Yancey, we're going to ask you to leave. Okay. Wow, look at that. One more time. Everyone's hands are straight down. Hands straight down. Okay, here we go. One more time, and this time you mean it. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Perfect. Stay right there.
Again with another American Ambulance Association Sergeant wife. Had a great day. I'm heading back to California tomorrow, but I'm having dinner with my Alexandria-based son, Alex. So, cheers. You can say hello to your brothers as well.
Hello.